Hey there, what's up? My name is Jessica. I go by Jawspeaksdigital, and here on this channel, I am here to help business owners just like you get digital. Whether that's content creation, or you need a digital tool to help you create, or you're looking to infuse video marketing into your strategy. We are all about creating intentional content to create the feed that you love. So welcome to my channel. If you have any questions or comments at any time, feel free to DM me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right below this video. You can also comment on any of the videos and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So we're all here to learn. We're all here to succeed. We're all here to help more people utilizing digital media. Welcome to the Jawspeaksdigital universe. Wishing you wellness in life and in business. I got kids, man. I got so many kids, man. There's one of them. He's tall as a tree. Eat all my groceries. Button, and as you can see, you'll see it go around in a circle. You're going to go ahead and record your video.